Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, using the volume keys to navigate in power key to select an option wipe cache partition, then confirm by yes, and after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.